This is the falcon, one of the most dangerous aerial hunters on Earth. Fact number 1, especially the peregrine falcon is the fastest animal in the world. During a dive, it can reach speeds over 380 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most race cars. Fact number 2, its eyesight is 8 times sharper than humans. A falcon can spot tiny prey from kilometers away in the sky. Fact number 3, falcons kill their prey in midair. They strike with powerful claws so fast, the prey doesn't even realize what hit it. Fact number 4, with insane speed and control, falcons hit their target with perfect accuracy, like a flying missile. If you love shocking animal facts, follow for more and don't miss the next video.